Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to count NA or not available value on Google Sheets. So here I have this data. I have 1 2 3 4 5 NAs, which is not available data. Here how to count only the NA. So actually there are no specific formula to count the not available. It's different if you are see if we I type count, there is an option of count A, which is count all the values, count if, and then count blank, count unique, etc. So here I want to show you how to create count not available. You just use the count if, and then you insert the range, and then hit the comma, and then for the criterion you put NA like this, and then until it comes up the NA error. So I just click this one and then close the bracket, and then close the final bracket, hit the enter. Now it returns 5 on the result. So this is 5 and A on this A column. So that's it, very simple tutorial. You just follow the formula. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. See you on the next video. Bye bye.